Hello, everyone. Your boy Diesel here. I got Tiger with me,
Hello.
and we are going to do a walkthrough of the Excalibur today. Beautiful casino owned by MGM, and I just want to give a big shout out to MGM for the opportunity they've given us to film in their amazing casinos. If you are ever in Las Vegas, check them out. They have some of the most amazing staff, the most amazing casinos, and just the most beautiful architecture in any of the casinos you could ever imagine. So come check MGM out. Big shout out to you. Again, you can catch us over on Twitch as well. We'll pop up on the bottom of the screen somewhere. If you want to go over there, click that. That will take you to us over on Twitch. We do a lot of different things on Twitch. We got a great community over there. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe this video. It does help with the growth and algorithm of our channel. We love you all so much. Couldn't do this without you. But let's go. Here we go. Enjoy. So a lot of these casinos out in Vegas are themed casinos, and this one in particular is medieval kind of knights around kind of theme, which is very cool.
Like a restaurant or something that has straws. That was all you wrote.
Got to give that guy a fist bump. So a little bit about myself and Tiger. We moved here back in September of last year to this amazing city known as Las Vegas. We're loving our new home, our new state that we're living in. Got some amazing people here. If you've never seen Las Vegas, you definitely have to make sure you at least come here once in your lifetime. We will be staying here for many years to come, and I have zero regrets about moving here. It's one of the most majestic cities probably on planet Earth. We are full-time content creators. Feel free to hit that subscribe button. It greatly helps with the growth of our channel. We will be doing all kinds of content on this channel, so we would love to have you as part of our community. If not, it's still great to have you here one way or the other.
Excalibur Sport Bar is the place to be during and after the games. Look at the gym sport book. We showcase the greatest and professional and college sporting events.
All the casinos in Vegas have some of the most magnificent carpet. Is this real? I had to check. Okay, everyone. Did a quick run around the beautiful and amazing casino known as Excalibur, owned by MGM. Definitely a beautiful casino. If you do come to Las Vegas, be sure and come in and check this place out. It is very, very neat, very, very nostalgic. But we are going to go ahead and end on this note. We greatly appreciate you being part of our community. We greatly appreciate you taking the time out of your day and viewing our content. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Follow us over on Twitch. There will be something that pops up in the bottom corner. Follow us over there. We got an amazing community. Very welcoming community over there as well. Yeah, we love you all so much, and stay tuned for future videos. Have a wonderful day, guys. Thank you.